Hello everyone, welcome to my first video on our AI learning series where I will be teaching you AI or whatever you are hearing about AI in our daily uses. I will be teaching you in a very simple language. Okay, so today's topic is AI. AI is like artificial intelligence, an intelligence that created artificially by human and implemented on a machine so that machine can perform any task on behalf of humans. Okay, do you know who is the most intelligent species on earth? It is human. They have built aeroplanes, trains. Nowadays they are working on robotics. Okay, so they have created lots of new technologies. So in 1956 they thought, why can't we create an same intelligence like a human mind have? Okay, and that intelligence can be applied on machine so that machine can perform a work. So from 1956 onwards, a new word came up, that is AI, artificial intelligence. And from that time, scientists started working on it. And nowadays, you know about how AI is transformed. I'm giving you a one simple example of AI. Everyone here are using phone, correct? You can unlock your phone just by looking at it, by using face detection. This is also a type of AI only. Okay, actually, that phone is using its intelligence to detect your face and unlock it. It can recognize, okay, you are a true owner of this particular phone. Hope you understand the AI concept here. So, no pin, no password, just using its intelligence, it is working on behalf of you and it can unlock your phone. That is AI. Now, let's start with the definition of generative AI. Generative AI is made up of two words, generative plus AI. You already know about AI, correct? Now, generative means to generate something. To generate something using intelligence, that is generative AI. So what we can generate using AI? We can generate text, images, voice, video, and code. Okay, so this is the generative AI which we can say. Just think about ChatGPT. Hope everyone had used at least one time ChatGPT, correct? So you are just giving some input or you are just asking some question to ChatGPT and it is giving you new text. Okay, so that is generative AI. Yeah, so hope you understand the concept of AI and generative AI now. Let me repeat again. AI is like an intelligence that created artificially and applied on machine, and generative AI means that machine can generate something using its intelligence. Okay, just remember it like a recognition versus creation. In our previous example, using AI, your face recognize something. Okay, that particular person's this phone is, and generative AI is like creating something new. So yeah, we understand AI and Gen AI now. In our next video, I will go deeper into how this machine can learn itself. That is machine learning. Okay. So if you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel as well. And please hit the bell icon as well for the new videos. Thank you everyone.